गुड मर्निङ डियर स्टुडेन्ट्स। आजको भिडियोमा रहेर मैले प्रोसेस एन्ड प्रोसेस म्यानेजमेन्टको बारेमा डिस्कस गर्नेछु। यससँग रिलेटेड जति पनि एमसीक्यूहरू छन् आजको भिडियोमा हामी कभर गरिनेछ। क्वेसन नम्बर 31, द सिस्टम विच अलाउ ओन्ली वान प्रोसेस एक्जिक्युसन एट अ टाइम आर कल्ड यूनिप्रोग्रामिङ सिस्टम, यूनिप्रोसेसिङ सिस्टम, यूनिटास्किङ सिस्टम, नन अफ द मेन्सन। राइट एन्सर इज यूनिप्रोग्रामिङ सिस्टम। Question number 32. In operating system, each process has its own address space and global variables, open files, pending alarm, single and signal handles, all of the mention. Option D, all of the mention. In Unix, which system calls create the new process? For create new, none of the mention. Fork is right answer. Question number 34. A process can be terminated due to normal exist, fatal error, killed by another process, all of the mentioned. Answer option D is right answer, all of them mentioned. Question number 35. What is ready state of process? Which process is scheduled to run after some execution? When the process is unable to run until some task has been completed. When process is using the CPU, none of the mentioned. When process is scheduled to run after some execution. Question number 36. What is inter-process communication? Communication within the process, communication between two processes, communication between two threads of same process, none of the mention. Communication between the two processes. Question number 37. A set of processes is deadlock if each process is blocked and will remain so forever. Each process is terminated. All processes are trying to kill each other. None of them mention. Option A. Each process is blocked and will remain so forever. Question number 38. A process stack does not contain function parameters, local variables, return addresses, PID for child process, PID for process, child process. PID for child process, right answer. Question number 39. Which system call can be used by parent process to determine the termination of child process? Wait, exit, fork, and get. Wait is the right answer. The address of next instruction to be executed by current process is provided by the CPU register, program counter, process stack, and pipe. Option B, program counter is right answer. आजको भिडियोलाई मैले इन्ड गर्न चाहे यस्तै अपरेटिङ सिस्टम लगायत सम्पूर्ण कम्प्युटरको सब्जेक्टसँग रिलेटेड एमसिक्यू पाउनको लागि हाम्रो च्यानल सब्स्क्राइब गर्नु होला। थ्याङ्क्स फर वाचिङ।